My name is Adrian Fitz. I work for Iscar UK as the Customer Experience Manager. Iscar is probably renowned as one of the most innovative cutting tool companies in the UK, probably globally as well, and we're based here in Birmingham. Iscar, full-line supplier of carbide cutting tools, everything from solid carbide through to indexable turning, milling, drilling solutions, right across the range, grip solutions, parting off, complete full-line supplier of cutting tools. Probably some of the most recognisable Iscar products are the grip solutions, so the parting and grooving solutions, and certainly the milling solutions as well. Indexable milling is probably one of the largest product lines, covering a complete range of milling cutters for pretty much every machining application. In terms of innovation, Iscar's probably a market leader with cutting tools and the innovation of cutting tools. In terms of our new building, the new building has been built on the site of the original building, where the majority of it was knocked down and has been completely rebuilt with a brand new technical centre, a new training school and new office facilities. It is designed to support customers with applications and solutions, but it also leads us very nicely into our apprenticeship programme. So this year, Iscar is launching a degree apprenticeship programme where we'll be recruiting our own apprentices and training our own apprentices. They'll be doing a 4-year manufacturing engineering degree with a view to succession planning. That's the whole point of taking on the apprentices. We see a big skills gap in the marketplace, in the engineering marketplace. A lot of our guys did apprenticeships, but some years ago, and there's definitely been a requirement to recruit and train our own staff, because finding skilled engineers is really, really tough. Exhibiting at MACH for us is really twofold. First, it's obviously to market the company, market the products, show our products, but also to meet with customers in what is a low pressure environment or a non-pressurized environment. It's very much about connecting with people and talking to our customers, but also to publicise our apprenticeship programme. This year we're obviously launching our apprenticeship programme. This is why we've sponsored the Education and Development Zone. It's very, very important to us as a company that we are able to recruit and train our own engineers.